Hi guys, now we are still we're still at in Accra, Ghana. We are now at a mall called Accra Mall. We are going inside. If it's possible, we are going to take some videos. The people that I'm with, they want to they want to they want to buy something in there. They want to buy KFC. So Kentucky Fried Chicken. So we'll see how it looks, how they like it.
KFC Accra. Kentucky Fried Chicken. We don't eat this at home, but we're eating it here. In Accra.
So this is my second day in Accra, Ghana. Right now we are going to look for what you call that, a SIM card. A SIM card to put in my phone, because I like when I'm in the car I have internet access. So therefore the driver is going to show me a place where we can find a SIM card. So let's see how it goes. Hi guys, I'm still in Accra. It's a long day. It was hot, but this evening is a bit better because there's a breeze coming from the ocean, so that's why we are now not very hot. So now we are at the Black Star. We are at the Black Star Park. Black Star Park. Some people are taking pictures, and they are also walking around. I see that some people are riding horses. If people want to ride horses, they can do it here, because for me, I don't think I'm going to do that. But we're just going to take some pictures, and maybe if it's possible we're talking to some people, but anyway, we'll see. This is the Black Star Park. As you can see, this is an imposing, very nice, that's very nice. Okay. 1957, freedom and justice. If we can find someone who can tell us about it, because we visited this place in 2019. I think we visited this place. There's a stadium as well there. The stadium is right there, and this park is where people come and take pictures. Actually, the ocean is right there. The Black Star Square. This is the Black Star Square over there. I think I'm calling it a Black Star Park, but I think it's a Black Star Square. I think in this area, when it's there are some events that can take place there, because I can see where people can sit. If there's a big event going on, concert or political gathering, maybe, I don't know, because I don't know if anybody can explain to me. I can ask someone. I think Forsey is going to be my guide today to tell me about this place. This is it. I would say it's a monument with the Black Star here. It was built by who? This one.
So it was built when Ghana get independent.
Oh, yeah. That was built during independence time. So also it was built by Kwame Nkrumah?
Yeah.
Okay. What about this one here is a monument, but does it call also Black Star Square. This one is also the Black Star Square, or is that one over there?
Here is Black Star Square, and here is Independence.
Okay.
So here we
Okay.
celebrate our independence.
Okay. So here, there, let me show my viewers, because I think that this one was this Black Star Square, because it says Black Star Square.
Yeah.
But here there's
Here is let me say,
Black Star Park, or
yeah, when Ghana get independence.
the monument. Okay, it's a symbol.
So that
Okay.
you remember that.
Yeah, that is okay. We are independent now. So this is a symbol of, that Ghana has taken his independence from the British, or what?
Yeah, British.
Or from the British. Okay. This is the same thing for Haiti.
Yeah.
Because we said that we were independent since 1804. This year, we celebrated like about 200. Is this 200 years? 220. This
What
year.
does the Black Star stand for?
Here is this symbol signifying our independence.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the symbol. We're okay. Yeah. So Haiti has been independent since 1804. This year we celebrate 220 years of independence. But people still think that no. We just celebrate one day, we say that we are independent, but we're still under the bondage of, the French, the Americans, all the big countries. So
The history about this land. People say we have three prominent people who are, those time they were soldiers, and they killed here. That's why they build this here
to remember those soldiers.
Yeah.
Okay, there were three soldiers
Yeah.
that were in the leadership of that revolution.
Yeah.
Okay, and then they were killed here, and then that's why, in memory of the soldiers,
Yes.
they built that monument to remember. Okay, to remember them.
That's why the symbol of the soldier is standing
Okay.
on top.
Oh, that's okay. That's soldier. Let me show my viewers. There, that is it, that monument. They say it's an unknown. They don't know the name of that soldier.
But people know when we go to National Museum, you know their names.
Okay.
But definitely
Yeah.
you go to National Museum.
Okay, I see. So this one is the Revolution Park. This one is the Black Star.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Actually, guys, I just finished talking to my driver, but there's something that drew my attention. They told me that this is the park to, in memory of the revolution in Ghana. But I think, not to be negative or anything, but I think this park is, if an official of Ghana is watching the video, maybe nobody tells them about this, but this park needs some renovation. And also the grass is really in bad shape. If we are advertising our countries, African countries, we should be able to make things clean, and beautiful. When people come, when tourists come, they don't criticize us or not taking care of our touristic places. So this is a message for the Ghanaian Ministry of Tourism. This place, the park, the Black Star Park, needs some renovation. It's not my place to do that, but I feel that this country, there's a lot of progress, but some of the things need some little touch up. Please do it for our people. Do it for our people. It would be nice. All right, so guys, remember to subscribe, to like, to share, and to comment. Remember to subscribe, to like, to share, and to comment. Talk to you later.